To run Solver, click the Solver button, Data tab, Analyze group. Click the Set Objective box and click or type a reference to the cell with the formula to be solved. Make a selection for the To parameter. Click the By Changing Variable Cells box. Select the cells that can be changed. Click Add to the right of the Subject to the Constraints box. Click the Cell Reference box and select the first cell or range that has a limitation. Click the middle drop-down arrow and choose an operator. Click the Constraint box and enter a value. Click Add in the Add Constraint dialog box to add another constraint. Click Cancel in the Add Constraint dialog box when all constraints are identified. Select the Make Unconstrained Variables Non-Negative box. Click the Select a Solving Method arrow and choose a method. Click Solve. Click OK to keep the solution.